Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out the number of times you have visited a website in Firefox Web Browser. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to have a Firefox Web Browser, or if you are already using a Firefox Web Browser, then no need to download and install it. So if you're not using it, you can download and install it firstly. Then after that, what you need to do is you need to open the Firefox web browser. So you can see this kind of user interface of this web browser. So I'll not go much details, directly jump into the topic. So to check the history, you can see the three horizontal lines. Just click on it. Now after that, you can click on this library. Just click on it. Now under this library option, you will see a history. Just click on it. Now just move your cursor to the below. You can see here show all history. Just click on it. Now it will display all the history depending upon the respective months, all the older history list. Then that is, you can see here older than 6 months. So let me select this one. So here you will get a tons of history list that you have browsed during that 6 months. So nowhere you can see how many times you have visited this website, right? But don't worry, here you can see on the left top corner, you can see your views. Just click on it. Now you can see a columns. Now under this columns option, you can see here visit count. Just when you enable this visit count, you will see the number of visit counts that you have visited the respective websites. So you can see on the first, I have visited 20 times this website in the last 6 months. Respective YouTube websites 60. So you can see a lots of count numbers depending upon the different websites which I have visited in the last 6 months. You can see the other also if you click on this, but by default this visit count is not enabled. So by going to this views and show columns, you need to enable this visit counts. If you turn it off, so you won't see any visit counts. So if you never known about this option, then just try the cool tricks. And if you want to find out how many times you have visited the respective websites using your Firefox web browser, then these tricks will help you a lot. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then try it out today. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.